Welcome car lovers, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue the road to customize the new vehicle. Today we're gonna customize Ramis NEVERA 2022. This car in a hypercar class, and it's have over 1,000, almost 2,000 horsepower, which is insane. Here's the new colors for it. I don't know, I feel the last one is better in my opinion. Wheels. Make sure you take the wheel you want because the parts on this car is very expensive. 2,005,100. I mean, it's just insane. Very expensive. Max it. Guys, don't buy any car. See the customization in my YouTube channel and then decide. And see the wheels when you buy this car because it's very expensive anyway. Front bumper, different headlights, another headlight. And what this one do? Oh, it's like, oh, the hood. We ask Ubisoft to separate option, they combine it. Really different hood. And now wide body. Oh my goodness. They combine the splitter and the bumper, headlight, wide body, and the hood. 5 options in one. Oh my god. Extended splitter, headlight, hood. I feel this one, maybe. No, this one. Yeah. 24,000. Jeez. Wheels. We have 3 wheels. Mirrors. 7,000. Like nothing. Skirt. Carbon primary. Oh, and this one added carbon to the doors. Like this idea. But the skirt did not go well with the bumper, so vents. All vents and yeah, only. And wide body. Cool wide body. Like it. And vents with a wide body. 24. My goodness. Spoiler. Carbon. Ducktail, not at this car. This one. Like that. But I feel the stock. Yeah, stock is better. This one cool, but the stock. Rear bumpers. Tint the rear light. And the diffuser and primary. And remove the small lights. This one with a stripe. Don't like any of those, to be honest. Keep the stock. Interiors. Love the doors, man. Cool interior. I'm feeling gray would be good. Let's see this. No. White. Choose white. Yeah, white is way more better. Only stitching. My god, the prices of this car is very expensive. But the dark windows. And there she is. How many horsepower are we talking about? Oh my goodness, over 2,000 horsepower. This is the first time I see car and the crew like over 2,000. Let's drive it. Very excited to drive it. I mean, very cool design car, but the prices and the customization very expensive. Interior very futuristic. Of course, we are not going to rev it because it's electric car. Go to the highway. I don't think this car is gonna beat the Bugatti Chiron and Koenigsegg Jesco. Even the Lamborghini Revelto. But we will see. Very response and stable. Does not slide. That's a cool point. Oh my god. Like in take the speed. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god, brakes. Oh my god. Man, this thing is not joking here. I mean, this will be the new GOAT top 5 or something in the hypercar class. Oh no. And of course we have the active spoiler. I mean, in seconds this car reached 3,000 what, 300. I mean, very crazy. That's the first time I see hypercar do this, the speed immediately. This and Bugatti Super Sport, Chiron Super Sport does this. Do it again, oh my god. When you launch this car, very hard to control it. You have to be very careful, oh my goodness. You have to be careful, let me tell you. But it's cool. Very good driving experience. And top speed, let's see. I think that Jesco and Chiron's still better, but when you take this car, take the speed immediately. I don't know. Let me guys what you think. It deserve that money? And the customization is very expensive. For me, save your money guys. There's way more cars in the hypercar class deserve the money more than this one. I mean, it's not that bad, but I don't know. Let me guys what you think. It's cool car, but I think does not deserve. If you put good wheels, customization, bumper, etc., you will well over 3 millions. Don't think so. Anyway guys, hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Peace.